Take a deep breath in, all the way out. Move your left ear.
Oh my God. I felt that low, yes.
All the way down.
Yes.
Are you good with that?
I could maybe do another.
One more?
Yeah,
okay.
one more, why not?
Let's go. That's it. Deep breath. All the way out. Just relax all the way.
Ooh. Ooh.
Okay, that's good.
Yes. Oh my God. Feels like you're gonna pull me right off the table.
Yeah. Check.
Still kicking.
Still kicking, everyone. You need your cane? Or you want to try it without? Let's see how you still shaky? Wow. Are you serious?
Yes. I have no pain right now.
Ah!
Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
I cannot believe this.
Yes.
You couldn't
I
even
know.
walk without the cane earlier. I'm gonna cry now. Oh
Well,
my
I'm gonna cry
God.
too. I mean, I still feel wobbly,
Yeah.
but I have less tension in my back,
Yeah,
and I have no pain right now.
that's great.
So you're a God
Yeah,
sent.
see everyone? She did have a cane with her. Okay. Okay, there you go.